So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I thought this sneaker right here was gonna do a whole lot better, especially considering that it's a Kobe. I was like, it's no way, and it's a Kobe 6, bruh. I was like, it's no way that this sneaker is gonna be affordable after release day, but it is. And yo, I'm telling you guys, buy these things now. This is a dope sneaker.
If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. KICKnology, ain't no apology.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Truth, and today we have a detailed, up close look of the Kobe 6 Protro All-Star 2.0, man. We're going to be taking a very detailed look at these things. Before we get up into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Like video, do all those great things. Make sure you comment down below and give me an emoji of what you think that this sneaker is all about, man. How you feel about these. But with all that out of the way, let's talk about this sneaker. All right, so the Kobe 6 Protro was one of those things that the 2.0, and I didn't understand the whole 2.0 concept, but we're going to go over that when we take a closer look at this sneaker. But this sneaker was one of those sneakers where I thought that as soon as they drop, price is going to skyrocket. I thought it was going to be kind of like the Italian camos and like all the other 6s that you have. I thought this sneaker was going to do the exact same thing because the Kobe 6s, I've said this before, is like the Air Jordan 11 of Kobe's. It's that sneaker that is unique and everybody wants. But the good thing for us sneaker consumers is this shoe is affordable and it is at a good price if you guys are looking to cop this thing on the aftermarket. But let's go ahead and start with the box. As you guys can see right here, you just have your standard black Kobe box. Y'all see that Kobe logo right there with the Kobe signature and the reptilian skin on the box right there. Here's a size tag. This is a size 12. I always go a half a size to a full size up in my Kobe 6s. But if you guys need to pause the video to legit check your pair, there you go right there. And as we open up this box, you just have the white paper. And does it have a quality control sticker? These came from the sneakers app and no sticker. All right, so starting with the left sneaker, we go ahead and start with the stuff that's hanging down on it. You have 2 sets of laces on these, and that's not typical with the Kobe's. You have this Nike bag, so if you're getting a pair and you think they fake because they got a Nike bag on it, they do have the Nike hang bags. You have a black pair. Then you have like the sail colorway, and then you have just the typical gray or white pair that comes in the sneaker as well. Now, these things are a little bit different because as you guys can see right here as we close up on it, these things have the stars on the left side, outer side of the sneaker, which is the reason why they have that all-star name to it. And then it turns as you go around the inner part of the shoe, goes into that traditional snake reptilian skin on the Kobe 6s. But as we continue around the sneaker, you do have that black Nike swoosh, and then you have that big star right there. Like I said, white laces, goes into the black Mamba logo on the tongue. And then on the inner side of the shoe, it's the exact same thing except for without the stars, just regular reptilian skin. And then you have the black Nike swoosh in there. On the back end, it is a darker gray. And I like the fact that they went with this on the booty because I thought it was going to be like a white, but it's not. This is a gray, so it kind of breaks apart that white. Because when I first seen the initial mock-up of these sneakers, I thought they were going to be pure white, and I didn't like that. Nope. Then you have the Kobe signature in white right there, and then the sock liner is like almost like a grayish satin color, as you guys can see right there. Black insole with the white Mamba logo. You got the zoom imprinted on the outer side of the sneaker right there. The bottom is going to be a grayish off-white color, almost like a light cement color with the black Mamba logo right there. I love the fact that they did that instead of going white. And then just the overall sneaker is not a bone white, man. You have the bone white going across the outsole right here and where the zoom is at. But everything else is almost like a gray, light tint gray. Even behind the stars and the reptilian skin is like a gray canvas. And I like the fact that they did that on these sneakers. But same thing on the other one. You have the stars right there on this one. And then on the toe box, you do have that Venom right there. So super clean sneaker. Again, this sneaker is not going for much. So if you are interested in these things, I would say go grab them now because I do feel like that these are going to have the typical Kobe 6 effect. And they will go up. It might take them a little bit longer just because the stars kind of throw people off. And you know, whenever you switch something up, people always kind of like, they don't want to mess with it right away. They want to wait and see what happens. And I do feel like these will eventually go up. But right now is a good time to buy them. This colorway is probably going to be one of the most wearable colorways when it comes to the Kobe 6s. So that's why I'm saying grab it now while it's low, because you're going to be able to rock this thing lifestyle if you want to with several different outfits, because the color is actually decent enough for you to be able to rock it. It's not a bright green. It's not a bright red. It's not a baby blue. It is a neutral color tone. But y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions. Remember I said I will be doing a sizing video and stuff for these. But I'm going to tell you guys, definitely, if you're watching this video and you're wondering about sizing, go a half a size to a full size up on these, and you guys will not be disappointed. But the Kobe 6 Protro All-Star 2.0 on deck. Glad I was able to add these to my collection. Appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the brew for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.